Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm Adam Black, your lender for your life, your trusted mortgage advisor. Today, we're diving into the often misunderstood world of closing loans and closing costs for VA loans. If you're considering a VA loan, understanding these costs is crucial for a smooth home buying experience. So let's break it down. First off, what exactly are closing costs? Closing costs are fees and expenses you need to pay to finalize your mortgage. Think of them as the price of getting your home loan set up. They cover a range of items from underwriting and processing fees to third-party expenses like homeowners insurance and property taxes. Now, who's responsible for paying these closing costs on a VA loan? Generally, it's the home buyer's responsibility. However, there's good news. You can negotiate with the seller to cover some of these expenses. The VA does set limits on what borrowers can pay, and there are some costs veterans aren't allowed to pay at all. But here's where it often gets confusing. Closing costs and concessions are not the same things. So let's clear up the confusion. There's no cap on how much a seller can contribute towards your closing cost. However, there is a cap on what's known as seller concessions, which is 4% of the total loan amount. So what counts as concessions? You've got payment of the VA funding fee, even if they're paying partial of it, prepayment of property taxes and insurance, gifts like a TV or a microwave, yes, that's a thing, payment of extra points for permanent interest rate buydown, provisions of escrowed funds for temporary interest rate buydowns like the popular 2-1 seller buydown that we're seeing a lot right now, and paying off credit balances or judgments on the buyer's behalf, which is often done to help the buyer qualify. All right, on the other hand, seller concessions do not include the payment of the buyer's closing cost. These can be paid in full or partially by the seller and include, but aren't limited to, appraisal fees. VA appraisal fees range from $400 to $1,200 depending on various factors such as where you're buying and how much you're paying for the home. Origination fee. VA prohibits the amount a lender can charge for originating a VA loan to 1% of the loan amount. The lender can charge you a flat 1% fee or itemize your loan origination fees as long as they do not exceed that 1%. You also have well, septic, and termite inspection fees. Title insurance fees for both owner and lender policies. These policies are going to protect the lender and home buyer if liens, legal defects, or other title-related issues are discovered after closing. Then you have credit report, flood certification, attorney fees, recording fees, and HOA fees. So a common question is, can I roll these costs into my loan? The answer is no, with one exception, the VA funding fee. This can be rolled into your loan, paid by you up front, or the seller can pay it. Keep in mind, if the seller pays it, it counts toward that 4% seller concessions cap. So when will you know your final closing cost? You'll get an official estimate once your lender has a full application from you. This includes your income, credit information, and a specific property address. After that, they're required to send you key documents within 3 business days, including the loan estimate. The loan estimate is a crucial document. It gives you a detailed picture of your mortgage's estimated cost and fees, and it includes the loan amount, your interest rate, monthly principal and interest payments, projected monthly payments over the life of the loan, a detailed breakdown of estimated loan-related closing costs, a detailed breakdown of other estimated costs to close as well, total estimate of cash needed to close, will be on there. It also has information about your borrowing cost, your APR, and your total interest paid so that you can compare that with other offers. Now remember, the loan estimate is just that. It's an estimate. Some charges can change, but there are limits to how much they can increase. So, VA buyers, getting pre-approved and talking to your lender early is key. This helps ensure you ask for the right amount of closing costs and concessions when you're making an offer. If you have any questions or you need personalized advice, don't hesitate to reach out to me, Adam Black. I'm your lender for your life. And thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any updates. And remember, for any mortgage-related questions, reach out to me directly. Thanks so much for stopping by.